Hi, it's Dawnnie Mercado from TADA Acting Studio. I'm super excited to finally be putting this out there in the world. It has been in the making for many years. I've been teaching and coaching youth and teens for over 25 years. I now have an adult client who is doing great, actually a few. One is out there booking theater gigs, movies, commercials, and a few are getting signed with managers and agents. I went back into the business myself in 2020, and now I have an agent and a manager. This is fabulous! So if you're watching this in the animated version, you are seeing one of my superpowers. I make all the fancy tools and words fun for kids, youth, and teens, and I've been doing that for a long time. I'm going to tell you a little secret. All of my animated series videos, yes, every single one of these lessons is the exact same thing I do myself. And what you are getting is the fun version, the animated learn from a cartoon fun version. Don't tell anyone, but I very rarely finish an entire book myself unless it's an audio or I can listen to it in the car, or unless it's a video lesson. What fun to watch it in a cartoon. Yes, that's right. Maybe it's the influence of my 6-year-old, who knows? But you and I are going on this journey together to become better actors because we love the craft, to become better auditioners because we want to book jobs, better script detectives, which is all where it begins. The first series is our Script Detectives animated version. Stay tuned for much more than that. All right, let's get to work.